So they always say na lie, na lie, na lie, na lie. Every time you always say it's a lie to make money online. So if you have never made any money online before, I'm going to show you a secret website where you can make at least 500 naira every day. 500 naira every day. Every day. That is the least amount I think you should be able to get. If you don't have anything you want to do, just spend 30 minutes on that website. Just go right now to freebyz.com. Look at it here, freebyz.com, or you click the link in my bio, the link in the description of this video, or the link below around this video. You will be able to make this 500 naira online. If you work online, the website will allow you to be able to work online by doing small tasks. Just for example, make a post on your Facebook page and you'll be paid 100 naira. For you to be able to make use of this website very well, click the link below and then continue now. And you will make your first money online, trust me.